Hi, I'm your Java programming instructor. I'm Dr. Shin Liu. By now, many of you have heard my voice over and over again in my tutorial videos. You might even recognize it right away. I'm your instructor. You probably also noticed that I rarely appear on camera. So, to be honest, I was extremely nervous when I first made my first video. I worried that my accent would make it difficult for others to understand me. Every time I heard my own imperfect English spoken with a Chinese accent, I even feel so embarrassed. So turning on the camera made it even harder. I felt really more nervous and vulnerable. But over the years, with my practice and my persistence, I find the courage to keep going. I discovered something powerful. My voice matters. Even with the imperfect English, I was able to overcome my fear in creating thousands of tutorial video for you. I even become a YouTuber. Can you believe that? Something I never imagined for myself. I hope my story inspire you to face your own fear. Challenge them, and grow stronger because of that. You may surprise yourself with what you can capable of. So let's challenge yourself, each other, and be a winner for this Java programming class. Thank you.